Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the main which is most important indicator VWAP, how you need to right click on indicator TWR VWAP, click on add, apply. Okay, so how you need to read this one? See at the top current day high CDH high. Okay, and that's the current day low, and in current day low you will see this green line, that's a market which is open. If you will just previous day high, this that the red one, and this previous day open is that one is the blue line and the previous day low. So previous day low, previous day low, open, previous day high, and once the market is open today, that one, and this is the current day high. So if you need to change any line color, just right click here and click on right or properties. Once you will open this one, you can see this line here, right click, gold, and change to width 1 to 4. So you can change according to as per your preference, but the mostly group member they are saying we don't need more lines and according to VWAP. So once you will open this one, if you see there is dotted line. Once the market is in uptrend, you will see that the dotted line is in green color, that the green dotted line. Once the market is in downtrend or in bearish, you will see that the dotted line is in red. You will see that's the dotted line in red now. Okay, so the most part is that this is a magnet line, VWAP, and orange line. This is the main our part, but you should know it whenever the market is income in that area, and that area is most important area. Market will reject, or it will range, or it will be choppy for some time. After that, it will go to trending direction. Thank you so much.